Good morning, traders. Keith Harrington II here. Today I'm going to be taking a look at CAD Yen. CAD Yen is one of my favorite yen pairs and one of my favorite pairs in general. It's trading inside of a wedge pattern currently. Depending on how you draw your lines, it could be a wedge or it could be a descending triangle. I have my lines drawn for it to be a wedge, and it's a wedge that is consolidating right up here towards resistance. So for the moment, what I plan to do is just trade the wedge, just as it is. I'm looking for a target up here at wedge resistance, where it coincides with the horizontal resistance area here. You can see we had the initiated support, initiated resistance, confirmed support, confirmed resistance. As we pushed back down into this support that was previously confirmed, what I did was open up a position down here in this area. But I did that by checking the 1 hour chart. And I liked this transition here. You can see we had a bottom forming here off of the 1 hour. And this confirmed that I was able to open up a position on the daily, my main position actually, with my stop just below these lows. By the end of the day, we got a nice hammer rejection of this support. And yesterday we got a nice move upwards. Today so far, we don't have much movement, and I doubt we'll have much movement today or tomorrow due to the holidays in the States. But I'm ultimately looking for a move back up here to resistance. I scaled down here to the 15-minute time frame to see if I could open up a couple of extra positions as well. And that's exactly what I did. But first, let me just go through this transition here. We had our previous downtrend formed by lower lows, lower highs. And we had a transition here where we had the low, a high, a lower low, still indicating the downtrend. But then we got a higher high here. We broke this high right there. Barely, but we broke it. As we pushed back down, we formed a higher high. Second red flag for me to be paying close attention. I'm sorry, a higher low here. And we immediately pushed back up and closed above this higher high right here. That's a good sign. Sometimes after we break this previous higher high that was made, it usually pushes up immediately. This wasn't the case this time. We did get a retracement, about 50% of this bullish candle, but we ultimately kept the move upwards. And if we look at the chart here where I actually took the trades, this position here was the position that I was basing off of the daily wedge when we pushed down into support. And after we moved up above this resistance area here, pulled back into it and confirming it as support, I opened up a second position here. And the same thing, we pushed up above this whole area here, but we pulled back, had a deeper pullback into this area here. So I initiated another position there. As you can see now, currently we're up above here, very close to a resistance area right here. We had support, served as resistance here. We pushed down and we're pushing back up towards this level. We haven't tested it again as of yet, but I am looking to see if we can make it back up here to see how price action is going to react. So a couple of open positions as well, trying to take advantage of the move if we're actually going to get another move up. But either way, it's been a good trade so far, and for the moment I'm looking to see if we can make a move up to resistance around the 110.50 area or so. So that's all I have now. I just wanted to quickly go over that. Nothing too complicated or anything. So I hope you guys have had a good trading week. It'll probably be slow the rest of today and going into tomorrow. So next week we'll probably have a little bit more action, and we'll see. We'll have a better picture of how price is going to move on this pair and others. So you guys have a great rest of the week and a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy trading.